We're back today to talk about some of our favorite Coke products, specifically designs that were created originally by Haddon Sundblom, who painted a wide array of Santa Claus designs for Coca-Cola. Sundblom painted at least one Santa for Coca-Cola every year from 1931 to 1964. His jolly version of the legendary figure helped create our modern image of Santa that we know and love today. Here are just a few examples. This design is based on Sundblom's painting When Friends Drop In, which first appeared in a magazine ad in late 1961. Now we've turned this whimsical painting into a festive wall graphic that's easy to decorate with. It's got a very easy peel and stick application that's no mess and no fuss. And the polyester fabric is great for walls, goes up easy to cover blemishes, and has a low tack adhesive to reposition easily. This decal features a 1942 painting by Sundblom entitled They Remembered Me, in which you can see a festive gold border, holly, and Santa in the center sipping on a Coke. While this decal has a slightly different Santa in wording, it's based on Sundblom's 1944 painting, Merry Christmas to You. This decal is typical of many variations you could find on the same design and was usually used as a cutout in grocery stores and other venues around the 1950s. And this decal features a 1941 painting from Sundblom entitled There Says Nothing More, and it features a really cool festive gold border and Santa enjoying a Coke. Our decals come in a range of sizes for the perfect fit, from small to large. They're a unique wall decoration for the holidays, ideal for your home, company, or holiday party. Make sure you grab this decal for the holiday season right now at retroplanet.com. Thanks for watching! We love to see what you do with our products, so use hashtag MyRetroPlanet anytime you post.